Hello guys, today on Stop Motion Stories I will be unboxing Storm's Collectibles Mortal Kombat Kano action figure. I'm going to show you exactly what you get when you buy this figure, all the accessories, all the hand pieces and all the swappable heads. Then at the end I will be showing you some cool poses and tricks you can do with this Kano figure. There will be a part 2 to this video, so if you like this content, subscribe, ring the bell and wait for my part 2 where I unbox Kung Lao. Anyway, let's get into it.
Kano wins. Flawless.
Thank you guys so much for watching. There will soon be some stop motions including Kano, so stay tuned for them. Anyway, goodbye.